This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 24 of Building Optimus Prime from the Agostini Fanhome MGM, I believe. Is that? No, Paramount will be the manufacturers, the film company behind it. Looking at this, we're building Voices and Faces. What? No, we're looking at Voices and Faces, obviously from the cartoon. You don't normally get to see what they look like, so you can do that from all the people in there. Optimus Prime. Yeah, he's got his sword and axe and things he uses sometimes, doesn't he? There we go. Good stuff. Tracks. Doesn't sound familiar. Don't know him. I'm sure I do, but got no memory of Tracks. Autobots Series 5 Part 2. Still not going to know any of those. If you do know any of them, let me know in the comments if you remember any of these from your childhood. They're all just, no, that's quite, no, they're still just the tiny little ones. Did they all just go to tiny little ones rather than proper builds? We're continuing the pelvis. We've got some parts to add to what we were doing last time to bulk it out a bit. Decorative parts rather than functional parts, these. A couple of extra bits that we're not using quite yet. So, yeah, that's pretty much that. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. Right, so the new parts and the part from last time. We're building these up first. We simply just pop together the armour pieces that are slightly articulated. We're doing both of those like so. I'm not worrying about which way round they go because they can obviously rotate wherever you need them to be, but we're not installing those yet either. We're going to be doing this bit first. Onto here. The inside of this one. Closer look at the picture. Make sure I get it the right way round. This piece is going onto there. Like that. It's not really holding. Oh, it's got pins there as well. Right, okay, you've got to get further in. And then they'll locate over that. That goes on there better. Yeah, there we go. So that is that. Then we've just got the circular pieces to put in, which all go together again on the other side. Got the 3 plugs there. It'll only go one way round. And that way round is like that. Get that? It is lined up because it wouldn't go any other way round, would it? No, that isn't the right way round because it's not lining up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I thought it's got to be that way, but it isn't. One there, that one there, and that one there. They do line up. They've not quite had one of them in the right place. So that goes on there like so, and the half goes around there. Also like so. So that is that. Another issue done. Join me next time when we continue with the pelvis with another part. We're obviously going to be adding more bits to it. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.